I knew he had a fan club. Well, this is Dr. Bob Harrison and Dalia Atava. And let me tell you just a little bit about Dr. Bob. Everybody knows him in the room, but Dr. Bob Harrison has been a pediatrician in Sandy Springs for 26 years. As well as an infectious disease consultant at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta and Northside Hospital. Before that, he worked at the CDC and Emory. In addition to serving on various committees, he has the privilege of caring for many of the children to whom Fragile Kids devotes himself. Dalia, she's been dancing since the age of 4 and was trained in both international and American styles of dancing. Born and raised in Russia, Dalia joined the Academy Ballroom Cumberland and became an instant success and sought-after instructor. Dalia enjoys working with all students, helping them become proficient and confident on the dance floor, which Bob doesn't need. So, Dr. Bob Harrison and Dalia, they're going to do Grease-inspired Jive. Couple number 2. Give it up for them.
Nereden çık?
Well, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's grease lightning. Grease lightning. It's moving, lifting, and falling apart. Keep talking, communication cut off, cold and raw. I'm in the line, I'm gonna get the line. With full speed on the floor, never waiting at the door. You know that I'm shit when we get like some grease lightning. Grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter of a mile. Grease lightning, grease lightning. No grease lightning, you get the feeling like trying. Grease lightning, grease lightning. You're so free, chicks are cream. Grease lightning. That's the burning feels a ballerina dash with a jewel with when you live. With space and shot, trying to get off my rocks. Know that I ain't bragging, she's a real whistle wagon. Grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up a quarter of a mile. Grease lightning, grease lightning. No grease lightning, you get the feeling like trying. Grease lightning, grease lightning. With some cream, chicks are cream. Grease lightning.
Dr. Bob and Dalia.